Hello, my name is Peña. I am from Mocoa, Putumayo, the Paperman Short Films. Corporación Universitaria del Caribe del SECAR, licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil, modalidad virtual a distancia. Paperman story revolving our youth man with math connected with its little hair on its long commute to work, change his lines of hair. What's happening? You are fifth part of the risk and the fifth part of the risk, and you man it's in time station waiting to travel to hit its office and to students hit struggled with pretty here who were get left with and wrong with hit to start to hit would be here and ready to live on a story trend. Do you live here? I am the blue boy late sky truth with not young chin if they link at all since it's blind loving and freaks sing. What is the boy don't here? I attention. It is drawing attention with a mass of paper plants. Tied his hat on his deck at work. He did everything possible for her air to look at it. I am Ram. He leads his work without permission. It walks on the train from one place to other so tight here with play attention to here. What's going on with your legs? His letters are come to turn so can he cool meet the here. What is verb? A word from escaped from the word to escape free from his birth. Second from his letter that his himself had made too strong IT here and looks bit early to hit here attention. What do the letters do with the chips? Where you take cat hit the letter look forward what to connect with pair of short tag letter tag the boy to meet the country you must hit met at 10 times statue. Target. What do you think is the content of the story? I did change the content of the story each time the here accepting the your map on outing subtract the hair to where he adds an oath bear character and tools have a relation, a set of best friends, or a close relationship where it facts on lobby competition and tools be able to be stronger the breadth of legs. Paperman.